name is Dan Pechkis. I'm a research staff member in the Operational Evaluation Division at IDA. At IDA, I work as a science, technology, data science consultant for the US government. So anytime they need us to work satellite or space systems and they need an outside expertise, they come to us. Space is very important. Most people think about space, they think about going to the moon, going to Mars, learning about the stars. But satellites in space provide an enormous number of societal benefits on Earth. Some people think about GPS, which is a very common one, or like satellite communications or internet, broadband internet. But there's so many other studies and things going on and so many other societal benefits that people don't realize. So for example, there's this collaboration between the US government, academia, and some different NGOs where they're trying to help farmers identify how much they should be watering their plants and their crops. This is really beneficial because from space, you could actually measure or estimate how much water has been evaporated or transpired through plants, and based on that, you could provide a feedback to the ground to let people know how much they should be watering their crops. Space has changed a lot over the last 20 years. One, there's a lot more satellites up there. Two, it used to be primarily a government domain where governments and agencies like the Department of Defense and NASA would be putting up satellites, but now you have all these commercial players. You have universities and even high schools that put up small satellites in space. But there's also a lot of geopolitical advantages from space. So you do have this competition between countries, whether it's the US and Russia and China, India, and all other players that are out there. If you look at a lot of the studies that have been done in academia, there's a lot of really promising things that I think can easily be operationalized and probably in the next 5 to 10 years, maybe without people even knowing it. Whether you're concerned about health, you're concerned about natural disasters or recovery operations, there's a lot of different things that people are doing with space data coming off of satellites and analyzing it that I think is going to be really beneficial.